Morning folks, December 2nd, CIOs. Behind me we've got a lovely picture of the late President Teddy Roosevelt, and I've been wondering what to call this show for a long time, the Morning Daily Snippet, and I've decided to call it the Morning Brew, play on the phrase brew being coffee, but brew is also the South African colloquial term for bro. So in this context we're going to use brew to mean brother, sister, mother, father, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, you name it. Everyone is welcome to the Morning Brew. I had an interesting question last week on a post that I did around the potential bubble in private equity IPOs, and somebody asked me whether Aramco was to be included in that bubble mania, and so I concluded that it was not, because basically Aramco is an energy company, and energy has been really in the doldrums. Although this is the second time that Aramco has attempted their IPO, so one's got to wonder why they are trying to get this out of the gate at this probably low point in the cycle. And I remembered a Financial Times, San Francisco Chronicle article back in February 13, 2013, which spoke about Saudi Arabia is moving at lightning speed to transform its electric grid from near zero to 100% renewable. So maybe the real answer is that they're actually running out of oil, and that this could be the peak, and they need to be putting the IPO together sooner rather than later. Anyway, have a great Monday. I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.
This episode of Morning Brew is brought to you by Looking Over the Manager's Shoulder. LOMS is our program that allows investment managers to present their strategies live via webinar to Greg and other highly qualified prospective investors. Managers get to respond in real time to questions from investment professionals who, cumulatively, represent hundreds, if not thousands of hours of due diligence allocator experience, and with the ultimate goal for investment managers to receive warm introductions to quality prospective investors. For more information, go to www.gregsilberman.com/LOMS. That is gregsilberman.com with a B/LOMS. Thanks for listening, and now on to the show.